What is up, everyone? It's 11 a.m. for me right now. Animal Company is updated because today is a massive update. I don't wanna. It showed as it was already like updated, but I'm not gonna take the chances of recording after I load in, because then I'm gonna see everything myself and then blah blah blah. Because it looks intense from all the leaks that I've been seeing. It looks intense, so and I am getting a Quest 3 today, so that means better content. Yay! What the hell? There. Animal Company, the beta bay installed. So let's get ready to hop in this baby. Okay, let's. We got dinosaurs. What the hell is that? And then we got that. What the hell that is? And then I guess on the leaks it's what? It's like a diving suit. Let's check this out. I already know how it looks like. It looks sick. I just haven't checked out the map. As soon as I saw how you load in, I left the cadet's live. Oh. Cook, do not power your device. And wait, an error has occurred. What? Oh damn! So everyone's already in. What the hell is this? Oh wait, this is the map. This is the map, the written on the one we ordered yesterday. It was literally just selling machine, VR headset, mines. Let's go check out mines before we go check out what other.
Come down.
Mines is blocked off. Plus how many people can go? Yeah, it's limited to where you can go. And then over there's forest. You think we go there? You think? Oh my bro, shut up! You think if we go in there, we're never gonna return here ever again? Unless if we load back in, you'll be able to go back to this map. Cause I don't want to leave this map, bro.
I have a friend who sits at the corner lot selling pills to the girls when they cross the block. I told him he should quit that sketchy scene. He said nothing compares to the fever dream. It's what I do. I wait for you.
Okay, let's go. Nope. What did I just see? I just saw a big explosion. Wait, what the heck?
Let me tell you a little story, let me tell you about my life. Didn't make it well at school, but yeah, sure as hell tried. Didn't listen to my teachers, never made it all time.
Swimming!
In the blink of an eye, yeah, I made it myself. Had to identify what to take off the shelf.
Bro, can you? I thought I was about to die.
Had to look at my soul. Stop, let's take a little minute.
I can't grapple.
You can't believe to what the hell you listen
I
to.
can't
I did it
grapple
for
onto
the curly gang, I did it for my curly crew. I did it for the one time, I did it for the two, ayy. Yeah, 3 into the 4, man, it's
Go around, because I don't want to swim. I'm too lazy. I just woke up and my hands are definitely gonna hurt. Wait, I'll get a Quest 3 today. I'm really excited because I had this damn Oculus Quest 2 for 4 years, I think, and I need to upgrade. I can't rock it. I don't even know what's in here. I saw Animal Company link on the Discord.
Blue hair, yellow tape, gray shirt, always late, touching them in different states. I like to see them replicate, flying first, different day, trying to make it on my way, trying to make it up, but I know that they cannot relate.
Wait, let me check out what people are saying. Yeah, new moderation thing. You can mute people, kick them, and if you're in a private server, you can kick them, unmute them, report them, and if you're in a private server and you joined first, you will be able to kick them which that has happened to me, and I traded one of these grapplers and I got skinned. The dude kicked me. I knew he was gonna do that. I don't know why I actually dropped it. Hell nah. Yo, where y'all at? Where y'all at?
Bro, I can't, bro. My getting stuck, bro.
Hey, where y'all at? I'm too scared to go in there. I'm not gonna scare
Really? Oh, shiver my timbers!
Oh yeah, and guys, I have a new Gorilla Tag update video coming soon. Probably come out in a couple of hours.
Exit's over here! Exit's over here!
Where are they? Are they in there? Where are y'all? Hell no, I wish I could grab up there, but oh, I know company restricted. I forgot. Animal Company buff. No, Animal Company. What's it called?
I saw the exit!
Dang it. What's it called? Wait. What's over? Oh my, bro.
Let's go, let's go.
What?
I'm use a fan. Instead. Because you know, grapplers won't work there, I'm gonna use fan.
Wait, hold up. Wait, what's in there? What's over there? What's in there?
Oh, new monsters and new updates. Come on.
Bet. Do I need anything? Oh, wait, hold up. Do I need anything?
Yes, I do. You need some flashlights and everything.
You have them, so I'm just gonna ignore that. Bro. Oh yeah, wait, what's that thing called when they...
Wait for me.
Bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Damn, what's it called? They nerfed the grapplers. That's why I can't onto anything.
Yeah, now you cannot go.
Here you can take your time to read the patch notes or skip to 724 to continue watching the video.
My
Two
favorite
metal things no more.
metal things? Okay,
Yep.
it's not that big of a problem when I go to mines.
Whoa!
I don't even know how the new mines look.
Whoa! In the fourth one, there's like a lot of metal. So you cannot get away from the monster.
There is a lot of metal in forest?
Yes, there's like a lot of metal in this first room. No,
Show me this new map. Wait, this forest or the old forest?
Come on.
Turn on your light. Plus, I'm not gonna risk scary things, so I didn't want to come in here alone.
Oh, that's why you have me.
Yes, sir. I literally met you 3 seconds ago. You're like my friend now. Holy I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Now you can.
What the? What the hell is in
You
there?
don't know what the exit is. I do. Stay back.
What's in there?
Let me just take all this.
Wait, what's in there? Why are they screaming? Oh, I hear breathing. What the heck? I hear breathing.
Yeah, that's the monster. Well, that's the monster.
We're heading to the monster? I lost you. Can it see me? I lost you, bro. I lost you. My controller's disconnected. I lost you, bro. My controller. It's bugging. Turn on my light. Bro, I lost you. Where are you? Hell no. He made me come. Bro. Oh, I'm on channel 1 No Wonders. Hey, bro, I lost you. Where are you?
Oh, how do you know what?
Oh, I found the monster is staring at me.
Terrible.
I am behind.
Bro, where are you? I'm running into a wall. No. No.
Over you, come on!
I'm following you.
That's who he is.
Oh, that's the
who he
creature,
is.
I think.
Distract him. Distract him.
Distract him.
Go.
Come for me! Oh. He left. He went right. Or left, sorry. Did I distract him?
They're around here.
Hey. Missed you. First time I've seen you.
Go.
Rush. Oh, my hand! What the heck? Bro, I
Do not
can't
touch
track
the wet stuff because it will be hot.
Oh, okay,
What?
yeah, I kind of got burnt. Oh my, bro, that does a lot of. Wait, I forgot, I died, so it did more damage. What happens if you?
I died.
Oh, bro, I cannot make this through alone.
Yes, can. Get away.
I cannot see. Bro, I cannot see. I need this up. I can't wait for you, but I cannot see. I cannot like. Super wait, so dumb. I was gonna ask him what happens if you go down. I don't answer. Can I make this through alone? Metal here. Everything's metal here, bro. Good. Good God. God, you like ability in my hand. Come in. Can you say something?
I gotta go past the two what
There's two? You got weak. Okay, I was gonna be where I was before you died. Shoddy like ability in my hand.
Can I help with like enemy?
Oh damn, W. W means. It's because you see that? Help flashes for me. I really hate this. I really hate this. Wait, so now that we went to the portal, that means that we're unable to go back. So that means that's the last time we ever see it. You know, sad, bro. I went on for like what, 6 months?
Okay,
I stopped playing for like what? For 4 months, came back for 6 months.
I will have the new one.
Are you in a white place? In a floor white place?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to go to like where the old place where you put in things they give you stuff.
Wait, I feel like a rainbow ball.
Yeah, that.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I'm coming. Everyone, you can go to. Help me, please.
Finally. And we are back. Let's go.
I see you. This game is ruined, though. Wait, where am I?
Oh, damn. That was good. Finally.
Yo, guys, this whole eternity was
Bro, Mia,
because
please
they
have
got
that.
rid of Ford.
Mia, please have that.
You can't grab? Oh. Bro, you skipped me.
Whoa,
I thought I was gonna have to
my
wait
backpack is
another
full.
50 minutes. Oh, this is sewers?
Huh? Yeah. What do you think it was?
Nothing. Oh. I think it's moving.
That's a big fat lie.
Yo, guys, this game
I literally thought it was nothing. I thought the door was at the exit.
No, it was not.
Do you have to go past Mimic?
Oh, and huh?
Do you have to go past Mimic?
Yup, you do.
Bye. I'm not going to. I think it's over here.
Over you.
Obito,
See?
what the hell is this?
Oh, just come down.
What up, wait for me.
help. I'm
for
stuck
me.
somewhere. Like a weird area.
Oh, my controller, what the heck? My control,
What happened?
it's got bad
just
tracking.
died?
It's got bad tracking. No, it's got bad tracking, like bad.
Watch out!
What is that? What is that?
That's one of the entities.
Oh hell. The roof. Try jump into the roof.
No.
What the hell? What did you do? Bro, you trying to get me killed, bro? You bringing her over here, like, and then they gonna see me, and then they gonna kill me.
Come on.
Oh, so it can't come up here. That's how it looks like. Oh, there's two?
Purple, where are you?
Now we're cooked.
Yup, that's two.
There's three.
Where am
I
I?
just saw one pass by. You can't do nothing about it.
No,
You can't do
oh.
nothing.
Bro,
35 seconds to what?
bro, that's, bro, we need to go
Guys,
in.
come to school if you want to give away.
Here, I'm just gonna skip because we didn't do anything. So let's go to when we weren't scared.
Come to school if you want to crack a giveaway.
We're cooked, but
Hey,
yes,
guys.
let's go.
Bro, we're about to get killed. I'm about to hit you right now, bro.
Bro got scared.
I'm about to hit you right now. You know what? Never mind. You know what? Give me that. Give me that. You have no problem. Did you just know something?
Yeah. Wait, what the hell? When the hell did you get that?
From the vet monster.
Is there office anymore?
No, there's no more.
There's no more office?
No.
Oh man. No more duping? Oh man. Oh, what that? But that dude was rolled. Okay, bro.
Oh, that dude was like.
POV. Come on over here, babies.
Bro,
I don't think so. Come on, now, right back.
You gotta watch out, bro.
Yo, you should swim in the water.
Don't let the thing touch you. Now where we go?
You need to go.
Bro! Oh. Well, I got really scared. But I come first if you don't stop at. What? What the hell, bro? Call of Duty zombies? Question mark? I said, wow. Oh my.
Hey.
Away.
We're cooked, bro. Nah, we're actually legitimately so cooked. Like, how are we gonna make it? I have an idea. Maybe we can go into that. Just try not to hit the thing.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Like that, bro. It's that easy.
Bro, you know
Okay, now this is impossible, bro. Where do we even have to go? Not that way. That way. How? Oh, what the? Bro, where? Bro, where are you going? It's not that way. Where you see it's a dead end. I'm kind of curious. Now where do we go? Oh, I just touched the lava.
Okay, Devon, you're so quick on that one.
No, wait a minute. This might not even be the eye thing. It must just be lava. Oh, wait, is it that way?
It is that way. It is. It is.
Oh, no. Oh, right behind you. They're right behind you.
It was behind me.
Okay, yeah. It was right behind you. Okay, so I think, yeah, we just go straight. Hurry up, brother. Coming.
Oh no.
We're good, bro. Bro. animal company
We can
is
go to that.
serious.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Bro, you just killed us both!
Meow! Oh,
You-
I'm talking to Meow!
Oh no. Yeah, you do spawn over here. Bro, what the
Hey, boy,
Bro,
I
killed
already
us
went to
both!
the toy. Wait, can I have
Killed us both! Is he dumb?
You know what? Come on. Come on. There's no. Come on. Come on.
How'd you
Come on.
kill ourselves? How'd you kill us? Bro, it's because you dumped out the loot and you made the
I was
monster
like dumping
come
everything
to us.
out. I was like dumping everything out.
Yeah, and then you made the monster come for us.
I don't know.
And you. Because I gotta get off since my head is almost low. I mean, my. Hold on. It's gonna be in the video. Hope you guys enjoy. See you all in the next one. Peace out.